Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. A while ago I made those earrings that you can see here and I hung them up in this glass jar. And I thought to myself, I have to do something with it, and this is what this video is all about. So some time ago I poured 3 pots, this one, and another red one. And now I'm sanding the red one and the yellow one because they are kind of a terrazzo style. And that's why I'm sanding them a little bit. And yeah, to smoothen out the surface a little bit more than it was right now. And to round up the corners on the top so I can use it later for what I was intending it for. And you'll see what that is. Funny that I didn't make a picture of the red one, but the orange and yellow one have to do for now. And now I have those metal pieces here, and I will connect those 3 pots together. And to attach the 3 pieces together with the metal pins, I took my Dremel and have some kind of a tool. I don't know what it's called. It's just like a drill somehow. And I'm making holes in the bottoms of all 3 of those pots. It's sadly off camera. I didn't really have any luck filming this, but this is the only footage I have. So you just have to imagine the rest. And as I was finished, it looked like this. I have coordinating glitter for the 3 pots, and I will embellish them with the glitter. And I make it myself easy. I just take the piece apart again. It's easier to paint then. And of course I couldn't get the screw loose on the red pot, so I just left it in there and painted it as is. I'm taking my gloss varnish and putting something in a cup, and then I will be adding my glitter. And this is the concoction I will paint my my pots with. And the varnish will dry transparent, so you won't see it. The only thing that you're going to be seeing is the glitter, and this is what I wanted. And usually for me, I don't make any plans like painting those things. Yeah, I just start and then I'll see where it goes from there. And if I like it, I leave it. And if I really don't like it, I'm just wiping it off and start all over again. And for me, this is kind of a relaxing activity because I don't have to think and I just have to do what comes to my mind. And usually that's the one that's really good. So this is the red one, and as you can see, I painted the gold and the orange glitter on there too because I somehow wanted to tie the whole thing together, and that's why the red one has all colors in there. And of course, they're not really looking alike. I just let myself go and my mind wander, and I just painted my day away. As everything was dry, I coated the whole thing with another layer of gloss varnish and reassembled the whole thing, and this is what it looks like now. And I gotta say, I really, really like it. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up or a comment. It's always nice talking to y'all. And yeah, I hope you like this little project as much as I did. And yeah, you can see that I put some earrings on it. This was the purpose that I made that whole thing for. And yeah, I hope you like it too. And we see each other in my next video. Until then, bye bye.